Let's we learn from our main course book, Standard 3rd, subject ES, and the chapter is 23. Okay, chapter number 23, and the chapter name is Beautiful Clothes. So in this chapter, there is a girl, there is a small girl, and her name is Sajida. Okay, so let's start. Open your page number 159. Okay, so let's start. Sajida is a small girl. She has one elder sister who gave her a very beautiful दुपट्टा. सजीदा कौन है? एक छोटी लड़की है जो she has one elder sister. एक बड़ी सिस्टर भी है उसकी. So she gave her a very beautiful दुपट्टा. Who gave? Her elder sister gave her a very beautiful dupatta, and it had beautiful embroidery with mirror work. That dupatta had beautiful embroidery. Embroidery कैसा था? Beautiful था. किसका था वो? मिरर का. With mirror work on it. Okay. So after finishing dinner, Sajida tried to wear the dupatta in different ways. After dinner के बाद सजीदा ने क्या किया? वो दुपट्टा पहनने की, वेयर करने की कोशिश की है अलग अलग तरीके से. सजीदा ट्राई टू वेयर द दुपट्टा इन डिफरेंट वेज. Soon she got tired playing with the dupatta and fell asleep wearing it. वो खेलते खेलते क्या हो गई? थक गई. किसके साथ? दुपट्टे के साथ खेल के वो थक गई. Then after she fell asleep wearing it. वो पहन के वो क्या किया? उसने वो सो गई. So she was thinking about the dupatta even in her dream. वो ड्रीम में भी दुपट्टे के बारे में सोच के बैठी, और सपने में भी उसे क्या दिखाई देता था? वही दुपट्टा जो उसके दीदी ने उसे दिया था. सो हाउ वुड सच अ दुपट्टा और सच अ ब्यूटीफुल दुपट्टा हैव बीन मेड. वो सपने में ये सोच रही थी, ये सब उसे ड्रीम आ रहा था कि ये इतना अच्छा दुपट्टा कैसे बना होगा, किसने बनाया होगा. सो इतना है ये चैप्टर में, चैप्टर नंबर 23, जिसमें एक गर्ल है सजीदा, उसके पास एक दुपट्टा है जो उसकी दीदी ने दी है. सो दैट्स द दुपट्टा हैड अ एम्ब्रॉयडरी विथ मिरर वर्क ऑन इट. एंड आफ्टर फिनिशिंग डिनर सजीदा ट्राई टू वेयर दुपट्टा इन डिफरेंट वेज, एंड आफ्टर getting tired she fell asleep wearing it. And in her dream even she was thinking about that dupatta, and she think that how would that such a beautiful dupatta have been made. Okay, so this much in this chapter. Here some of these question of this chapter. First one, how was Sajida's दुपट्टा मेक? तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? हाउ वॉज सजीदा दुपट्टा. स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ दैट दुपट्टा मेक? आंसर क्या होगा? हाउ वॉज सजीदा दुपट्टा मेक? सो द आंसर इज सजीदा's दुपट्टा वॉज मेड बाय क्राफ्टमैन हु फर्स्ट प्रिंटेड द डिजाइन ऑन इट. फर्स्ट क्या किया? किसने बनाई? है क्राफ्टमैन ने बनाया. और कैसे बनाया? फर्स्ट दैट प्रिंटेड दैट डिजाइंड ऑन इट, एंड देन आफ्टर विद द हेल्प ऑफ मशीन, एंड देन मस्ट हैव बीन द एम्ब्रॉयडरी एंड स्टक द स्मॉल मिरर्स ऑन इट. इन दिस वे दैट द दुपट्टा वॉज मेड. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टेक अ दुपट्टा or a long piece of unstitched clothes. Okay, so wrap it in different ways. Then after, in how many ways could you wear it? First, क्या करना है? एक दुपट्टा या any unstitched clothes लेना है and wrap it in different ways. In how many ways could you wear it? कौन से किस किस ways में आप ये पहन सकते हो? So that the answer is a dupatta or a long piece of unstitched clothes can be worn in different ways. It can be worn in different ways. You can worn by a sari or dupatta or lungi, turban, in many ways. Okay. So next one, did anyone wear it like a lungi or use it as a turban? In what other ways was the clothes worn? So yes, some of people wore it like a lungi. कोई इसे लुंगी की तरह भी पहनते हैं और used as a turbans, and the other was to which could be worn are like a sari or like a dhoti. Okay, so we solved this 3 questions this much in these chapters. I hope you all understand this chapter number 23 and beautiful. Students, now continue chapter number 24, web of life. So in this chapter we realize that our life is dependent on plants, water, house, sunlight, etc. All these, air, animals, vehicles, all these. Okay, so students, air, water, food and a home is very necessary for us to live. These all are our basic needs. Without it, we cannot survive. So air, water, food and a house is very important. Human have to depend on plants. Okay, humans depends on plants and animals for their life. In the same way, plants and animals also depend on human beings. So in this way life is interrelated. Life क्या है? Interrelated with each other. So the sun, first the sun is the main source of energy. We all know that the sun is the main source of energy. We get light that from the sun, we get light and heat and energy from the sun. Whatever energy each living beings have is obtained from the sun. जिसको जो ज़रूरत सन एनर्जी चाहिए वो कहाँ से हम ऑब्टेन करते हैं? हम सन में से. सो द मून मेक्स द अर्थ कूल एंड द मून क्या करता है? अर्थ को कूल करता है. बोथ दीज आर इम्पोर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, सो एयर प्रेजेंट ऑन earth is precious for us. Without air we cannot survive. That's why air is precious for us and we cannot live without air. Oxygen present in air enters our body and gives us new energy. So we live on the earth and make homes on it. हम कहाँ रहते हैं? अर्थ में रहते हैं और क्या बनाते हैं? हम बनाते कहाँ पे? अर्थ में. So on earth we farm on it, build factories for business purpose, school, new buildings, gardens, all these we make on earth. So that the earth or the ground is connected to our lives. Ground is also connected with our life. We must protect it. The web of our life is connected to all things on the earth. जो अर्थ में जो जितने भी चीज़ है वो क्या है, हम हमारे लाइफ से कनेक्टेड है। प्लांट्स, बर्ड्स, मून, काउ, rat, soil, house, air, grass, sun, water, all these things, all these things present or on the earth जो भी है, all our life is connected with it. Okay, so students, you must read about trees, water, houses, animals, vehicles and many other things. हमने ये सब पढ़ा. So you must have thought about that, how we protect that, or can you tell why did we try to know and think about all these things? हमें ये इन सब के बारे में क्यों सोचना चाहिए? Why? So our life depend on all these things. Okay, so all these things are useful to in our daily use in one way or the other way. डिफरेंट तरीके से ये क्या है, हमारे लाइफ में कनेक्टेड है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्लांट्स, सन, वाटर, एनिमल्स, houses, vehicles and many other things. Okay, so we have tried to know and think about all these things. So students, have you joined your picture to the house? यहाँ पे आप अपना एक पिक्चर बनाओ, then after join it with a house. Okay, so after that, after joining that it shows that the present on the earth things are connected with our daily lives. Continue chapter number 25. Okay, so chapter number 25 name is My Tehsil. So in this chapter we know about our homes, villages and tehsils. So students, many houses make a villages. बहुत सारा घर क्या बनाता है, हम क्या बनाते हैं, एक विलेज. ओके, मेनी हाउसेज मेक अ विलेज एंड मेनी विलेजेस मेक अ तहसील. मेनी हाउसेज क्या बनाता है, विलेज को, और मेनी विलेज होता है तो क्या बनता है, tehsil. So then after many tehsils make a district. Okay, so students, village, tehsils and district are the three wings of the Panchayat Raj. These village, tehsils and district are the three wings of the Panchayat Raj, and these includes, पंचायत राज में क्या क्या इंक्लूड है, दैट ग्राम पंचायत, द तालुका पंचायत एंड द डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत. व्हाट इट इंक्लूड्स, पंचायत राज में क्या इंक्लूड्स है, सो ग्राम पंचायत, तालुका पंचायत एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत. सो स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर 250 तहसील्स इन गुजरात एट प्रेजेंट. गुजरात में कितने तहसील्स हैं, 250. सो राइट हियर देयर आर 250 तहसील्स इन गुजरात. कितने हैं, देयर आर 250 तहसील्स इन गुजरात एंड प्रेजेंट. अभी हाल ही में कितने हैं, 250. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, द विलेज दैट इज नेक्स्ट टू आवर विलेज इज नोन एज आवर नेबरिंग विलेज. जो हमारे विलेज के, जो हमारा विलेज है उसके जस्ट बाजू में या साइड में कोई भी नेक्स्ट टू आवर विलेज जो हो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, आवर नेबरिंग विलेजेस. सो सिमिलरली द तहसील नेक्स्ट टू आवर तहसील्स आर नोन एज आवर नेबरिंग तहसील्स. So the village that is right here, the village next to our village is known as, इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, the village that is next to our village, the village that is. Okay, so the village that is next to our village is known as our neighboring village. Okay, so similarly that the tehsil that is next to our tehsil is known as our neighboring tehsil. Okay, students. So what we learn in this chapter, that many houses make a village, many villages make a tehsil, many tehsils make a district, and there are 250 tehsils in Gujarat at present. Okay, so after the village that is next to our village. So the villages that is next to our village is known as our neighboring villages. And then after the tehsils that is next to our tehsil is known as our neighboring tehsils. So students, these all are in these chapters. So in this video what we learn? We learn chapter number 23, beautiful crotchets. Then after chapter number 24, web of life, and this chapter number 25, my tehsil, 23, 24 and 25. So I hope you all understand this video. Thank you.